How to enable share option in Facebook. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, launch a Facebook application in your preferred device. In here, you need to make sure your Facebook is up to date and you are logged in into your Facebook account. Now to enable the share option in Facebook, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. Then click on the setting button. After which you need to scroll down until you see the option of profile and tagging. It will be under audience and visibility. So click on it. After which you need to toggle on the button for allow others to share your post to their profile. If it's turned off, simply tap on it. This is the first step. Moving on to the second step, head back from here. Now tap on your profile and scroll down to navigate the post that you would wish to share. For this, you need to edit the privacy setting. In order to do so, click on the three dot icon. Select on Edit Privacy. If it's set on only me or friends, you have to set it on Public. After that, head back from here and wait for it to be saved. After it has been public, you'll be able to see a share button at the bottom of your post. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.